Hey, Coach Greg here at Sculpt Training, and if you are looking for some toned legs, then this is gonna be the workout for you. This is gonna be short, fast, and furious, so grab some water, let's get started. Alrighty, so we have 30 seconds each exercise. We'll focus on the first set being more of an explanation and demonstration while you follow along, and then the next two sets, less talking on my part, more doing on yours. So let's start with our first exercise. We have ice skaters. Get ready, we got 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. You're just focusing on bringing one leg behind. A normal ice skater, you're basically like hopping to this leg, bringing it behind like this. And if you're able to do that, go ahead. But if you don't feel like leaving the ground, just focus on stepping, tapping on the other side, boom, just like this. Get your arms in there, make this a full body exercise movement, especially if you're not jumping or leaving the ground, but this is still as intense. Keep that core tight. But if you do have the ability and you wanna jump, go ahead and do it. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job moving along. We have knee lifts with an opposite elbow touch. I know that sounds complicated, but don't worry, it is not. Focus on just bringing one knee up, have the opposite elbow touch it, and you are golden, my friend. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Much easier to explain, or to demonstrate than to explain. I'm a visual learner. So all I'm doing is I'm bringing one elbow down as I bring my knee up. Almost becomes a little crunch. But we're trying to focus more on our hip flexors. So try not to crunch over as much. Try to make your knee do most of the work. Boom. Just like this. I don't know if you see from the side. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job moving along. We have grapevine steps. Now this may start off confusing, but don't worry, we're gonna start slow. Just stand, this position, feet facing forward. This is your starting spot. We are gonna take one leg, whatever's, my example would be my left leg. I'm bringing it in front. I'm stepping back, both feet forward, taking that leg, now putting it behind, and then now I'm back in a starting position like this. Now from this side, the right leg is gonna go in front, step, behind, step. Simple as that. We will go slow. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. This is called the grapevine. So step over, in front, behind, step. Switch sides, boom, boom. If you want, you can add a squat at the end. Boom. Focus first on the movement before trying to go faster with it. It's basically just trying to turn your hips over. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. So in front, straight, behind, straight. There you have it. I know, don't worry. By second or third set, you'll be a master at that. Last, we have standing toe taps. All right, stand feet shoulder width apart. Have a slight bend in your knees. Core is tight. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We're just tapping to the side, just like this. Have a strong, stable base. My back isn't like this or whatever. It's like slightly bent forward, but my belly button is sucked to my spine. Boom. Strong legs, strong stance. Just like this. You're gonna feel the burn in your thighs, in your hammies, in your quads, calves, all of it. 3, 2, 1. Done. And there you have it. That's your toned legs workout. We have 2 more sets to go. Grab some water, clear your head, focus. Let's get it done. Set number 2 starts now. Ice skaters, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Knee lifts with elbow touches. 3, 2, 1, go. Grapevine steps, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing toe taps, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it, second set done. We have one more to go. You are doing amazing. Stay strong, you got this. Even if your legs are burning, don't think about that. Just focus on the next exercise, 1 rep at a time. You got this. 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Knee lifts with elbow touches, 3, 2, 1, go. Grapevine steps, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing toe taps, 3, 2, 1, go. And that is your toned leg workout. I am tired and hopefully you are too. Hopefully you feel great. You got your sweat on, you burned some fat, and you got to spend a little time with me, Coach Greg. I love spending time with y'all. I love hearing from you, so please leave comments. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want more, what you want less of. Just want to hear from you. I will see you in the next video. Click the notification bell if you haven't already, just to stay on top of any new videos coming from me, Coach Gabby and Coach Mayer. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.